God, I missed you guys. I missed YouTube. I missed recording videos. I just missed my community. And at first, I just wanted to go on a 1 week break, but I got sick. So anyway, hey guys, welcome to Anything Content. My name is Naomi Salami, and if you did not miss me, how can you not miss this energy? Welcome to Anything Content once again, and today I've got a surprise for you guys. So if you've been wanting to learn content writing consistently, well, in my break, my forced health break that I had to take because, man, you guys need to be drinking a lot of water, but that's beside the point. My forced health break, I realized that a lot of people were asking me about content writing, how to start, what it entails, what is it about. So I decided that I am going to be doing a 30 days course. Is it a course? Kind of like a 30-day series. The series is called What I Wish Someone Told Me About Content Writing Earlier. Yes, I know I am a very creative person when it comes to names. So starting with the first lesson of our new series. Your readers don't care about you. Yes, it's a hard truth to hear, but the people that you're writing for, your target audience, they don't care about you. They care about the facts they want to get from that write-up. They care about, oh, can I get the information from this write-up within 2 minutes of scanning through it or skimming through it or whatever the term is. They don't care about you. So that means if you have a write-up with so many of your opinions, they would not take it as factual, and they might just bounce immediately they read it. Now, except your channel, or let's say you have a channel on Medium or Substack, it's basically about just sharing your opinions. That's fine. But if it is not, forget about it. Forget about it. If you're writing on anything, blockchain, you're writing about cooking, here are 3 lessons to avoid filling your write-up with so many of your opinions and just focusing on the facts. Number 1, lead with the pain points. Using the cooking example I just used just now. If you're teaching people how to boil meat in a different way, you probably learned this from your grandmother. Oh, this is wrong. Lead with the problem. Say, oh, if you use this kind of way to boil meat, the meat is not going to boil well, it's not going to soften, it's not. So many people have had issues with this thing, they've complained to me. Lead with the pain points, the actual thing that people want solved, the actual thing that people are going to come to your channel or come to your place to read about what you just wrote and be like, oh yes, what this person said, yes, I have been going through it. I can attest to the fact that whenever I use this method, my meat doesn't get soft easily or it remains hard, and they would continue reading. Number 2, use you more than I. Use YOU instead of I. Yes, everybody in this world is selfish, whether we like to admit it or not. We care more about what we want to achieve than others. It's just like in horror movies now. When it's time to choose who's gonna die, who's gonna live, nobody will say, oh, I'm gonna sacrifice myself for this person. Man, I wanna live. So in this case, try to focus on more of yous than I. For example, instead of saying, I learned how to get clients on LinkedIn, and your way might not be my way. Your strategy might not be my strategy. What makes you think I want to use it? You can use this method to get 30 or 40 or 50 clients on LinkedIn. They'll be like, oh, well, if it worked for this person, maybe it will work for me. Try to make it think like it's their idea. It's them thinking about it and be like, let me try. Instead of you trying to impose your opinions on them. People don't like that. I've learned that people don't like that. And the last lesson, show how your write-up solves their problem. Again, people don't like to read. They like to just open something, they check the stuff within 2 to 3 minutes, and they get the solution they need. Show them how this benefits them. So instead of saying, I post consistently for 30 days on LinkedIn and blah, 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 and do this whole story, who cares? Who the freak cares? No one cares. But if you say, if you post consistently for 2 times a day for 30 days on LinkedIn, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get 2K followers. You're going to get 2,500 followers. You're going to get so many followers within so and so days. I hope I'm communicating. Well, guys, so this is just day 1, and sorry if I'm rushing. My light just went off and I know the problem, but I hope you can still see me. I hope my video has been interesting, educative, informative, just the way I like it to be, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.